been hearing a lot about semiconductor manufacturing in the news lately. There's a couple of good reasons why. First, some global leaders in the semiconductor industry have announced large-scale expansions of their facilities in Texas. Samsung in and around Taylor, Texas, and Texas Instruments in Sherman. Of course, there's a lot of other leaders in the state like Applied Materials, Infineon, Tokyo Electron, NXP, Advanced Micro Devices, Intel, and Global Wafers. As we've discovered, computer chips power most of the tools we use daily. Certainly our cell phones, but also cars, dishwashers, thermostats, well, and a lot more. The supply chain issues we experienced during the last 2 years, well, they've had a negative effect on the semiconductor industry. As consumers, we felt it with higher car prices and shortages of electronics and even some medical devices. So, news of increased manufacturing, well, that's welcome news. Texas has been the nation's leading exporter of semiconductor chips and other electronic components for 11 years in a row. The investments Texas has made in the semiconductor industry since Texas Instruments first produced the microchip in Dallas 50 years ago, well, they've paid off. The second reason we've been hearing a lot about computer chips is the passage of the CHIPS for America Act. The CHIPS Act provides tax incentives to expand domestic semiconductor production and facilities. But it also makes $81 billion available for, among other things, STEM education and workforce training. As companies expand their manufacturing capacity, they also increase their workforce. We'll see demand for jobs in this sector in the short, medium, and long term. Plus, these plants have to be built. That means jobs for electricians, pipe fitters, welders, and a lot of other skilled, high-wage jobs. TWC will work to make sure Texas stays at the top of that list with workforce training programs and youth initiatives that prepare the next generation of chip makers. Texas has been a leader in this space for a while, and I think we have the chance to continue that leadership with growth. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.